OFT family, we have a Trader Joe's haul and it's a doozy. Let's get started. All right, first we have 2 bags of the miso crunch salad. This stuff is so good. I got 2 bags this time. 2 bags of that. We've got some more overnight oats. I've got 2 vanillas and I've got 2 peanut butters. Those were a hit in the fam, so I'm restocking. Also, edamame. Got 2 boxes of these. They're in the refrigerated section. All you do is pop them open, eat them out of the salad, stir fries, whatever you like. 2 boxes of those. We got some cheeses. So we've got, on my tippy toes here, folks, some mozzarella cheese. We got some provolone. We got some Colby Jack, all sliced. And then we've got some yogurts, some Greek yogurt. We've got 2 vanilla bean, and we've got 2 honey. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Then we had to restock blueberries. And these strawberries look fantastic. Look at these. Look how good they look. I'm shocked for it not even being April. More rice. And then we've got 2 packages of my chicken tenders. Bag number 1. I don't know if y'all have been to Trader Joe's, but they pack this shit so good in these bags. They're heavy, and they usually ask you if you mind if they're heavy. So, anywho, got some more of the hot honey popcorn. Baking powder. I needed to restock for my baking. Got these. We've had these numerous times. I don't know if you ever tried their pizza crust from Trader Joe's. But this is a really good, quick and easy meal. So got some pizza crust. There's 2 in a package. Got some sourdough bread. You'll see what I'm going to do with that later. We got some taters. We got some more of our favorite pitted dates. We love these with some natural crunchy peanut butter. You'll see I bought some more here. You put a little of that peanut butter inside of these. It's a great little snack. And it's not as bad as a candy bar. Got some pita bite crackers. And restock soy sauce. Restock sweet chili sauce. Restock of my favorite chicken stock. Of course, more of my coffee. And here's the peanut butter I was talking about. We love this crunchy, the crunchy all natural peanut butter. Just give it a quick little stir. It's so good on English muffins, with the dates, anything. Love it. So I finally found my husband's Buffalo Ranch popcorn that I've been searching for the last couple weeks. So I got him some of that. We got manners, 2 bunches, because I've got to make some banana muffins and banana bread. So I got 2 things of manners. I've got more eggs. I get the pasture-raised eggs. Got a dozen of those. We've got avocados. We've got baby carrots. Run out of room, folks. More berries, more raspberries to restock with my other fruit. Oh, more cheese, Swiss cheese. Fresh mozzarella. That's gonna go on the pizza crust later on this week. Yum, yum, yum. Butter. More of my creamer, of course. Hang on, folks, just a few more things. More cream. Sweet potatoes. This is for a thing we're making this week as well. Yum. Another thing of my Kerrygold butter. And lastly, I'm the only one that likes this stuff in the house, but tuna. Got some cans of albacore tuna. So that's all she wrote at Trader Joe's. And the damage, thing's fighting me. The damage was $192.17.
Damn!
Well, look at all the stuff that I got though. I got meat, I got cheeses, I got everything here. So, hope you enjoyed your Trader Joe's haul. Until next time, folks, see you, bye.